Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all again. Second video I'm dropping today. Big up, guys. Thanks for being here yet again. We dropped the video earlier revealing the Reggae Boys squad for the upcoming game against Catalonia. I see a lot of people look like they're a little bit disappointed. But I can't disappointed when I see certain ballers where a long time we want to see them in the mix. Seen especially Amari'i, Hutchinson, Jaja. I don't know, I'm disappointed with that squad. But this video is, and I get it. It's not, guys, it's obviously not going to be a full strength squad. It's a squad to, one, look at new faces and also give French players a chance. Seen? With that being said, this particular video, we're going to talk a little bit about Kemar Roofe, Amari'i, and now former Reggae Girls head coach Blaine. For starters, the headline is that Kemar Roofe will indeed be available for the Europa League final against Frankfurt. So you guys know that Roofe has been out injured for a while. Yes, guys, he got injured. If memory serves me right, it was a cup tie. It was a Scottish cup tie, if memory serves me right. Don't quote me on that, but if memory serves me right, he got injured in a Scottish cup tie and has been out for quite some time and has missed a number of games, including, the semi-final clashes. He has missed some of the Europa League games because of this injury. But now, Giovanni van Bronckhorst is reporting that Kemar Roofe will indeed be available. So this is Giovanni van Bronckhorst confirming the news. He said that Kemar Roofe is available. He trained yesterday for the first time. Van Bronckhorst said he will also be training tonight in the squad. Kemar Roofe is a boost for us. He is important and I am happy for him as he has been working hard to return. He is there and ready to play a part. Right? Interesting that he only trained yesterday, which would be Monday, for the first time ahead of the Europa League final on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. So let us see if, he has gotten, he has trained enough to get back to a level where Van Bronckhorst, deems him to be ready enough to get some game time in this massive, massive final. Guys, Kemar Roofe is a history-making reggae boy, Can't forget that, A number of history Kemar Roofe has set for reggae boys, right? I don't know of a reggae boy being an invincible. Kemar Roofe on Rangers last season, Rangers did not lose a game last season in the Scottish Premiership. I don't know. I've never heard or seen of another reggae boy doing that. He's one of the few reggae boys to win a European First Division league title. And I don't know of another reggae boy playing on a team that is going to be featuring in a European final. I have never heard. If you guys know of another reggae boy that has done that, let me know. But guys, I really, really sincerely hope that Kemar Roofe sees if it's even 5 minutes of playing time. But I think if him score, man, suppose him come on and stitch a match-winning goal for Rangers FC. Okay, he's a reggae boy that make headlines across the world, man. My thing is, I just want to see the youth get if it's even a 5 minutes run out. See, so we can proudly say that we had a reggae boy playing, who played in a European final. The Europa League final. So it's a big deal. So we wish Kemar Roofe all the best. Hopefully he can, see the pitch for Rangers versus Eintracht Frankfurt. All right, up next, we're going to be talking about Amari'i. Yes, guys, Amari'i. So for those of you who don't know, I don't think the story got the coverage that it deserved, but Amari'i was a reggae boy. By the way, Amari'i is my favorite left back, I think Amari'i is the best left back right now available to the national team. I know many of you disagree, and that's fine. Amari'i would have had a good season for Luton Town this season. It culminated with Luton Town and Amari'i Bell qualifying for the playoffs of the championship. That playoff thing that, the winner of the playoff gets to be the third team that qualifies or gets promoted to the English Premier League. So Luton Town would have gotten into the playoffs. However, in the first round of the playoffs, Luton Town would have got knocked out by Huddersfield Town, right? So the first leg drew 1-1, and the second leg, a late winner, would have made sure that Huddersfield went through. By the way, we can't vex with that now, because we were upset with that. But we can't vex with that again, because you see, Rolando Aarons is now being brought into the national senior team. And you guys know Rolando Aarons is at Huddersfield Town, right? So we can't matter that, because a reggae boy now is on a team that is, has progressed in the playoffs, and now we are we're rooting for Rolando Aarons, right? If I'm not mistaken, isn't Rolando Aarons Jamaican born as well? If I'm not mistaken, Rolando Aarons is Jamaican born as well. Yeah, man. Correct me if in the comment section, guys, if that isn't true. So I'm going off memory, but I'm almost sure Rolando Aarons was born in Jamaica. So, unfortunately, Bell with Luton Town, though, unfortunately, has not progressed. I think Amari'i Bell needs to be brought back into the national setup. There's clearly something that has gone awry, why he hasn't been featuring for the national team in quite some time. Can't understand it. It can't be because them not rate the player, because nobody in them right mind could not see what Amari'i Bell has to offer to the national team. We have heard a number of stories as to why it is the case that he's not in the team, but we don't know, so we won't, we won't say any of those reasons, but hopefully Bell can be brought back into the setup. The BBC is reporting also that, Luton Town is looking to be the first team to go from non-league football to the Premier League. Now, I don't know if they're talking about the Premier League that was rebranded as the Premier League in the 1990s, or they're talking about the English First Division overall, right? But apparently, if Luton Town had been promoted in the playoffs to the Premier League this season, the BBC is reporting that Luton would have been the first club to go from non-league football to the Premier League, and the Luton boss is saying that they have not given up. They're going to give it another go because they believe they can get it done. So we wish Amari'i Bell all the best in his quest with Luton Town to get promoted to the English Premier League. All right, lastly, we're talking about now the former national Reggae Girls head coach, Blaine. Now, guys, this would have been broken yesterday, right? Blaine has decided to resign from the Reggae Girls senior team. You guys know the controversy that has been taking place. Guys, I saw the document and the letter that was signed by a number of Reggae Girls, and they actually showed the signatures. So you had the names under the signature, and then you had a line with the signature, and the signatures were on the you saw the Reggae Girls who actually signed the document. I was very surprised I didn't see Marlo Sweatman's signature there. So it looked like Marlo, as a senior Reggae Girl, did not sign the document. I wonder why. But yeah, Blaine has decided to step down, and honestly, after the revelations made by Blaine the other day, I did a video on that as well, where Blaine was saying that if he goes back into the setup, or if he remains as the coach, he's gonna have to remove some people. Also, if one of the major newspapers in Jamaica, I don't remember which one right now, so I won't say, was saying that from what they understand, a number of the Reggae Girls were disappointed with the JFF's decision to not get rid of Blaine and to back Blaine. That's what that publication was reporting, that a number of the Reggae Girls were disappointed and were not pleased with the JFF not removing Vin Blaine. So based on those two things, and also Blaine was saying that, you know, he alluded to a previous statement that he made about leaning towards the exit, and he was saying that his position hasn't changed much since he made that statement. So when I heard that, I knew it was only a matter of time that Vin Blaine would go, and here we're seeing it now. Vin Blaine, you know, is no longer with us in terms of no longer with the National Reggae Girls senior team. Such an unfortunate time to have a shake-up of coaching, you know, with the group of death in World Cup qualification just around the corner. Tough group that the Reggae Girls are going to have to try and get out of in a matter of weeks from now to qualify for the World Cup again. Such an unfortunate scenario to arise, but hey, you know, Vin Blaine is gone. We'll keep abreast of the story. We'll keep tracking it to see who replaces Vin Blaine. We hear things in the rumors, in the rumor mill, so to speak, but we don't know conclusively, you know, who will be the next head coach of the Reggae Girls senior team. But we will continue to track this particular story. I see a lot of people saying that it's not a good thing because player power has won in terms of authority has been undermined because of Blaine going. Because a lot of people didn't think that players should have the power to, you know, basically fire or get a coach dismissed. But I don't know. All I know is the JFF was caught between a rock and a hard place. You know, I agree with that. Player power shouldn't be, you know, that powerful enough to get a coach fired. But if so many Reggae Girls saying they want this man gone, boy, I don't know. It must be something really, really bad. I don't know at this point in time. I just know it's a very unfortunate situation that is taking place right now. With the Reggae Girls, hopefully they can rebound and we can qualify for the World Cup, which is very important and which the girls have the ability to do. Seeing so, guys, knock up the like button again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Free and easy ways to support. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.